Stage 4 of workflow is machining. Compared to its other workflow neighbours, machining is arguably the most powerful category and offers substantial time and cost savings. Simply stated, the machining section automatically creates CAM instructions, but always under the watchful eye of the user. In this example, we have changed the discipline to turning, specifically 2-axis turning with C and Y-axis milling. The stock has been stated as well as the machine tool and features. Moving along the workflow ribbon, we now find machining. On selecting the command, we can see that the first section is planning board. The planning board is an interactive window which maps out the order of manufacturing commands. The user can manipulate this order by simply dragging and dropping items to determine a predetermined manufacturing order. Items can be deleted as well as moved. Once satisfied with this manufacturing order, the user now moves along the ribbon, selecting Apply. As the word suggests, the planning board is now applied. CAM instructions are created for each feature. This is made possible through EdgeCAM Strategy Manager. The strategies are based on sound machining principles, but can be edited by the user to suit their own preferred manufacturing methods. As you watch the screen, you will notice how quickly the CAM instructions are created and placed inside the window. Prior to workflow, this would have been a long-winded manual process. In this example, nearly 50 CAM instructions have been created. Imagine how long this would have taken normally. A user is at liberty to interact with the CAM instructions, fine-tuning them through editing or copying and moving them through drag and drop. Moving along the workflow ribbon, we now go to the machine simulator. This provides that final peace of mind that the CAM instructions are indeed correct. This now completes the 4th stage of workflow. We are now ready for the final chapter.